Jim Rodgers hints that the U.S. might be due for some economic surprises in 2024, given we've had quite a calm stretch. He's not all doom and gloom, but he's kind of the wise uncle who's seen it all and is gently waving a caution flag.
I think as we enter 2024, fairly pessimistic outlook. So in terms of the overall outlook for the next 2 years and the next 10 years, we see that there's a progressive worsening of that outlook.
2023, he notes, was pretty smooth, typical before an election year. Politicians like to keep us smiling. However, for the year 2024, well, that's anyone's guess. It's like waiting for the next plot twist in a mystery movie. According to Rodgers, a market crash in 2024 is evident, and he's not alone in that belief. Invesco's chief global market strategist, Christina Hooper, also foresees a tough time ahead, expecting a bumpy landing instead of a smooth ride or a recession. Statista also forecasts that as of November 2024, there is a projected likelihood of 51.84% that the United States will enter another economic recession. Rodgers has also been skeptical about China's real estate bubble, which has been like watching a balloon slowly deflate. And inflation? That's the uninvited guest who overstays their welcome. The silver lining, according to Rodgers, is commodities, especially agriculture. It's like finding a secret path in a maze. Everyone needs food, right? And about gold and silver, Rodgers' advice is simple. Have some, just in case. It's like keeping a spare tire in your trunk. So, what is your take on Rodgers' 2024 outlook? Kindly tell us in the comments section. Remember to like this video and subscribe.